Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. Today we have the unboxing and we'll do a project with the Sizzix Christmas craft box. So let's dive in and see what's inside. Oh, that's right. It has these fun Christmas tree shaker windows. And you get all these fun things to put inside. That has snowflakes in it. That has, I think, little trees, yes. And these are just like little red seed beads. We get some dies. You get the die to do this. And then other things to decorate your tree. And then more fun little things. Stocking, that's cool. Ornaments, joy, love. You get adhesive sheets, always handy. And then you get some really pretty opalescent, opulent cardstock, pearl glitter festive. So let's see what colors are in here. So this is a very smooth, it does not come off. There's no flakage to that at all. So you get this red, this green, and a white. Oh, that's so pretty for doing snow. And then these are opalescent colors in red and green. And then in the white. Okay, you get a 5-pack of white cardstock. And then you get a festive cardstock pack. It's a 10-pack. So, assuming this is all different colors. And this has the linen texture to it. So you get this red, pink, a darker red like burgundy, lime green, like a sage green, the traditional dark green, turquoise green, white, brown, and black. Okay, so let's make a project. Okay, in addition to the items that came in the kit, I am going to use this Echo Park 6x6 paper pack called Let's Lumberjack. There is also a Christmas Lumberjack, which is actually what I thought I was buying when I bought this. I think I accidentally bought the wrong thing. But they both kind of have similar colors and patterns and things, so I wasn't all that distraught over it. Anyway, so I'm just taking a bunch of the dies that came in this kit. We're going to make a shaker card since we got those large Christmas tree shaker pouches in this kit. We're going to make a shaker card. So it's a top folding A2 card, and so when you use the die to cut out, it cuts the border to go around the shaker pouch, and so you're left with this tree that's cut out of the inside. So I thought, well, I'm going to put that on the inside of the card, and there's lots of little dies to make packages, and so I'm just using the various colors of cardstock that came in the kit to cut these all out and mix and match and put together some presents to go underneath this tree for the inside of the card. And then the other little dies that they had, there was some little ornaments, some like star kind of shaped things, and the Noel word, which I'm going to cut out multiple times to stack it up and make it really thick. But I'm just going to run this stuff all through my little Sidekick wonderful little machine. I love this machine. I would not do without this little machine. It cuts so well, and it's so handy too. And do about need some new little cutting plates for them, but even though these are very, very marred up, they still work great. Anyway, so just doing tons of die cutting here, and then we'll be putting it all together. And this the die cutting was what took the longest by far of this card, but it was still super quick to put together and real fun. I like putting together the little die cut pieces and things. It's kind of fun. It's like a puzzle. And so it's fun to put together. So that lumberjack paper pad, I just got a very subdued kind of pattern from it, and then I backed it with the brown out of the kit, and then of course cut the tree out of the green sparkle, and then everything else out of the various colors that came in the kit. Here I am just stacking up that Noel to give it some depth and dimension and a little bit of weight to it. I think I stacked up 3 or 4. I can't remember. Usually when I'm doing that, I'll stack up 3 or 4. And so just using my 2-way glue pen to get these little packages and their little, ribbons and bows glued onto them, and discovered that I needed some more. So we'll do some more die cutting and just keep going on, and then we'll start to put this together. So I actually filmed this before Thanksgiving, so now it is post-Thanksgiving. We got to have Leighton home from college for 9 whole days. That was a lot of fun to have him back, and just great to spend some time with him and get caught up and on everything that he's been doing at school and stuff, and just have some what seemed like some normal time with him. Of course, we ate too much and still enjoying all the wonderful leftovers. But after Thanksgiving was over, then we got busy on decorating for Christmas. We did the yard here at the house, and because we do have a Christmas light fight in our neighborhood, so that's always fun. We added this year lights to our 2 trees out front, and these large candy canes. So we did add a little bit to the yard. We usually do place in the top 3, so we are kind of Griswold-like, but we enjoy it. We like it. And we decorated the ranch house. We did that on Sunday afternoon. We decorated the ranch house, did the laundry over there because we had the week-long people from the Wren for Thanksgiving leave, and so they left on Saturday morning. And so we decorated on Sunday afternoon and did laundry. And then we started on our house, and we have everything done except for a couple of small things now. So it takes a few days. I got 3 large trees, 2 small trees, and so yeah, it does take a bit. I am a certified Christmas nut, so I do love decorating for Christmas, but the grandkids all love it. They say the house looks like Santa's village, so they love it, and so that's what matters. So now that the holiday decorating is all done, it's back to the Christmas shopping. I did get a good portion of it done before Thanksgiving, and so now I just have to finish it up. Just got a couple of people left to do, and so that is top of the agenda for next week, is to get that done, and then so I can get everything wrapped in underneath the tree, and then it's just time to enjoy the Christmas lights and the Hallmark movies and a cup of hot cocoa at night, and just enjoy the holiday season with all that it has to offer. Okay, back to the card here for a second. I got the 2 layers of paper glued together and down, and so now I'm just going through the little pots of things that came in the kit and scooping them into a pile in the middle of the card. And I'm just using my little Nuvo scoop here. It comes in real handy. If you try to use your fingers, it sticks to your fingers and things. So this Nuvo scoop is just very handy to keep it all neat and tidy. And so just got it all together, and then peeled the release liner off of the shaker pouch and stuck that down. I did get it a tiny bit skewed, but I think it looks super anyway. I get this trim piece put on, and that really sets it off from the background and makes it look like our little tree. So now I'm going to stick down the rest of these elements that I cut. And those stars that are out of metallic paper, that is some metallic paper out of my stash. That is some Tim Holtz metallic Kraft cardstock. And I love that stuff. I have it in all the colors and I use it quite frequently. It is thick and sturdy and comes in a great variety of colors. So just getting everything glued down, and that will kind of finish up this card. Just a couple little more things to die cut here. Anyway, I didn't get final pictures of this card done because it's raining and cold outside, but I did slow down the video at the end so you can get a good look at the finished product. So that'll do it for today. I'll have another video real soon for you, and we'll see you soon.